whatever you're doing right now and make sure to have your sound turned up. In this short video, you'll discover First to Universe, explainable AI app that creates mind-blowing text-to-video, vision video, image-talking videos, incredible graphic arts, age-changer video, AI text paint image, AI hairstyler, AI image unblur, AI oil painting image, multi-image subject generation, AI illustration, AI avatar generator, AI vision image, and much, much more in less than 60 minutes. In 3 easy clicks, smartly create and sell limitless incredible AI videos and graphics to hordes of hungry audience and make $378.82 daily with no prior tech, marketing, or music creation skills. Sound interesting? Look, artificial intelligence has grown by leaps and bounds, and it shows no signs of slowing down. Artificial intelligence is the new granddaddy in the marketing universe, and businesses of all shapes and sizes can't ignore its huge worth at any cost. Now, if you're thinking about why artificial intelligence is growing so rapidly, the reason for that's simple, my friend. Artificial intelligence promises to create high-quality and stunning AI videos, images, graphics, visual arts, and much, much more by entering just a keyword with zero or very less human dependency. But all that glitters is not gold. Using other AI platforms costs anywhere between $450 and $895 per month bare minimum. And even after paying so much, there's no guarantee that the results generated will suit your business needs. On top of that, they deliver poor, outdated images and videos that fail to get audience attention. Now, just imagine what you got access to never seen before artificial intelligence technology to smartly create and sell limitless, incredible, and refreshing Ultra HD AI videos, images, graphics, visuals for you or your clients in seconds for evergreen income for days, weeks, months, or even years to come. And the best part is, you can do it all without paying exorbitant fees for complicated third-party platforms, without wasting hundreds of hours creating marketing assets yourself, without hiring costly video and image creators or freelancers, without learning to decode complex tools, without depending on existing platforms, etc. once and for all, without having any special skills, experience, or learning curve. Now, if that got your interest, then you're in for a great surprise today. Presenting Vision AI, First to Universe, explainable AI app that creates mind-blowing text-to-video, vision video, image-talking videos, incredible graphic arts, age-changer video, AI text paint image, AI hairstyler, AI image unblur, AI oil painting image, multi-image subject generation, AI illustration, AI avatar generator, AI vision image, and much, much more in just 3 clicks. Yes, with this future of intelligent solutions, even newbies can say goodbye to tons of expensive tools out there and make the best use of artificial intelligence to create mind-blowing marketing videos, graphics, images, and art to stand neck to neck with the competition. Just follow 3 easy steps to get started. Step 1, log in. Step 2, create. Step 3, sell and profit. Here are some of its amazing features. First to market cutting-edge AI technology that's the future of intelligent solutions. Create 100% unique AI avatars of any image and get 100 times more visibility for your offers. Instantly convert any random text into stunning 4K and 8K HD video and get max attention. Make any image into human-like talking image and attract hordes of audience in 3 clicks. Smartly convert any ordinary photo into eye-catchy live image in any niche. Transform any outdated image into 100% fresh, audience-friendly AI robotic image. Create multiple versions of any existing photo and grab more eyeballs in a flash. Change age of any photo and make it look young, old, or grown up instantly using style-based regression model. Crush your competition by converting an existing video into attention-grabbing AI video. Restore faces inside any blurred image and make it as clear as morning sky. Totally unique and innovative tech that creates stunning marketing assets for you and your clients in seconds. Convert any blurred image into 100% visible and lure max visitors to your offers. Use our innovative tech to attract more eyeballs and make 10 times more appealing assets. Change hairstyle for any image and make it more visually enticing. Let customers literally beg you in exchange for your premium services. Fire all your expensive tools and services once and for all. Say goodbye to monthly fees or paying for expensive third-party platforms. No hidden fee or any extra expenses. Nothing to download, install, or customize. Get started in seconds. Ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee included, and tons of other benefits with your access today. Take my word. If you're tired of all the bullshit going around and want to have a secured financial future, then Vision AI is the happy ending for your search. You'll agree that it's 100% fair for such a steal deal to last for a limited period. We are confident that this much value has never been offered at such a low price. And if you act now, you'll also receive our limited-time commercial license. That means you could use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. So it's really about using this technology for your business as quickly as possible to profit like never before. Remember, your purchase is always backed by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied, simply ask and get all your money back within 30 days of your purchase. Here's a fair warning. Vision AI will soon be sold for a monthly or yearly subscription after the special launch period ends. If you buy now, you can access it for a one-time only low price today. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below this video to get Vision AI for the lowest price. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.